All right, we got our ciabatta rolls here. We're gonna make some easy pizzas that the kids will love, you'll love, everybody will love it, okay? So these are cheesy ciabattas, right? But we're gonna level them up. I got a little classico pizza sauce here. Got bacon, pepperoni, little bell peppers, of course black olives for dad. Love it. And then we got a little mozzarella cheese. Obviously they're already cheesy, but we're gonna, add a little more cheese. You can never have too much cheese, right? Right. And just spoon in, on. Spoon on 1 spoonful of the pizza sauce on each thing, or each roll. Okay. Use as little or as much as you like. Not a big saucy kind of guy, but I'll add a healthy tablespoon on there. Okay. Now I'm gonna make this as best I can for our kids. The ones that like certain things, some don't like certain things or other things. So we're gonna dress these up how I think the kids are gonna want them. I know one of our sons, he only wants a cheesy one. So we're just gonna put a bunch of mozzarella on this one. Okay, that one is done. But we got a mozzarella the rest of them. So we're gonna add a little bit of mozz all the way through. All right. We got it on a sheet tray, so don't worry about, making a mess or anything. All right. So Zachary's is right there. Now we got Brady's right here. Brady's like me, so we're gonna make that one for me too. We both want bacon and black olives on there. So we'll leave that one for us. The black olives on. Get them nowhere near the actual pizzas. All right, good stuff. All right, so me and Brady are taken care of here. I notice there are only 6 pizzas, but there's 7 of us. Trent, our oldest, doesn't live with us, so he doesn't get a pizza today. Mom's a little more refined, likes the little bell peppers on hers. Right, so we'll throw a few of those on there. She'll definitely want some pepperoni. Let's get a couple of those on there. Avery and Grady like the meaty pizzas. So we'll put some more bacon on there. And we'll get a little pepperonis on these. So we got 2 kind of meat lovers, right? There we go. Right. Now we're gonna top these with a little bit more mozz so the toppings stay glued on. And if I wasn't filming this, in all honesty, guys, the kids would be down here making them themselves. This is perfect for the kids to do their own thing. Perfect for a weeknight meal, especially when, we got so many kids running around here that we gotta do it like this. Quick, easy, few ingredients, everybody loves it. Before we get these in the oven, I'm gonna grind a little Italian herbs over the top too. Adds just a little extra flavor. Dude, I love this little grinding Italian herb thing. Need to find one, McCormick's, not bad. Let's get our mini pizzas in the oven, 425, 5-10 minutes, just till you get it nice and crispy on top. The bottom's gonna crisp up too from the metal pan. There's gonna be nice, crunchy little pizzas. You're gonna dig it. I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, individual pizzas are done. They're still hot. We're gonna let them cool down a little bit. I'll take a bite of mine, dole these out to the kids. But this right here, easy peasy. You're gonna love it. All right, we got our little quick and easy mini pizzas here. So good, so tasty, so easy. Yeah, I'm telling you, the kids are gonna love this. Because babe, you know it's good.